Thank you. A brief introduction about myself. My name is Ramanpreet Kaur Bhatia and I belong to two clubs, Marine Parade Toastmasters Club as well as ICI SG Toastmasters Club. While ICI SG is a new Toastmasters Club, I consider Marine Parade as my home club. I am an immediate past president for Marine Parade Toastmasters Club as well as for ICISG Toastmasters, and I'm also immediate past area director for Area Z for Division Z. Here, why I chose when Aniza talked to me about this training. Why? Because as Turkin said that a Toastmaster is a brand in itself. It's a brand. When you get that prefix to your name, Toastmaster XYZ, that immediately, that word Toastmaster, that comes with a respect, that comes with a dignity, that yes, you are a Toastmaster, and how you are going to brand yourself, right? I'll just share my screen. Can you all see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, let's try and make it more interactive because this presentation and everything, all this branding, you can get all these resources from TI website also. But what is important is that we talk to each other, we interact with each other because there are many things which I might be knowing, you might not be knowing, and vice versa. I get to learn so many new things from, all of us can share our resources, our experiences, what is brand to us, and how can we use this brand Toastmasters to enhance yourself and your club. Before we start, I'm so sorry, apology. My presentation still says 25th July because it's the same one which I used last week as well. Before we start, can I just please ask everyone, please feel free to write in the chat, what do you mean by brand? What is brand? I mean, what in general, when you hear the word brand, what comes in your mind? Unique identity, trust, what people remember you for, representation. So is it when somebody said that representation, credibility, when we say representation, does it, is it the responsibility? Generally, we know that VPPR is the one who represents your club to the outside world because VPPR is one person, image, personalized. Yeah, I've been getting lots of answers. So generally we say that VPPR represents our club to the outside world. So is branding something which is overlapping the VPPR exercise? I guess no. Why? Because branding is universal to each one of you, each one of us, not only the club officers but all the members. When we see a McDonald's sign, what does McDonald's sign refer to? It's a brand, right? We know that this is the franchisee. We are going to McDonald's to buy something. So suppose there are so many franchisees of McDonald's. If one franchisee of McDonald's changes the shape of M, it just makes that M, it makes it to a very pointed M kind of thing. But it uses the word McDonald's. Will you go to that McDonald's? Will you trust that franchisee or will you trust that shop or that outlet? No, because we know that we identify McDonald's. We know that this M belongs to McDonald's. We see the half-eaten apple. We know that this is Apple logo. Nothing is written on it. No, nothing. Apple is the word Apple. Even if it is missing, just by looking at the logo, we know that this is an Apple product. This is an Apple laptop. This is an Apple phone. So we know that. So that's the power of branding. That's the power of this word, Toastmasters. So we're going to talk about branding and communication. We are going to talk about how you can leverage the Toastmasters brand to meet your objectives. I'll first talk about what makes Toastmaster a brand. Whether you are a club officer, a district officer, this information is important to you. This branding and communication is important to you because this will help you in succeeding in your role and help you, stay better connected to your club, to Toastmasters. In this training session, we'll also look at some visual elements and we'll see the benefits of communicating the brands. I'll also take you through some of the resources that we can use for this branding and communication. Now, some of you here are first time Toastmasters, first time club officers. So for you, I mean, if you have been in Toastmasters for long, you must have seen that logo. That's why you have identified, yes, this is Toastmasters. Now I'm going to this organization, a reputed organization. While those who have held some kind of exco position earlier, you might be already aware that these are the benefits, these are the branding guidelines, these are the regulations, and we'll explore more about it now. Now, what is brand? As I said, first let's look at what brand is. A brand is not just a logo. A brand is not just this picture, this the Toastmasters logo which is there. Brand is just not this thing, right? It's not, it's our identity. It's an emotional connect. It's a connect which an outsider makes with a product, service, or company. It's a distinct identity. Yes, we have seen this logo. Yes, we have read about this. A brand is an articulation, and it articulates and differentiates itself by stating what makes it unique about that product or service. And there is a word that we use for it. It is who we are and why we matter. We are Toastmasters. And yes, we matter. We matter with this logo. With this logo which is printed here on our t-shirts or on all this brand, that this logo, it defines who we are as Toastmasters and why we matter. Let's get together and find out more about our values. Can somebody tell me that when we join Toastmasters, of course, most of the answers would be that we join to become a good public speaker, that we want to avoid or we want to overcome our fear of public speaking. But what does our tagline says? Please feel free to unmute yourself and let us know what is the tagline of Toastmasters.
Where leaders are made.
Where leaders are made. So our primary objective is where leaders are made. We say that this tagline, that helps us to convey our mission, the very basic reason why we are here. What are our core values? Those 4 core values that Toastmaster has.
Respect, integrity, service, and excellence.
Very good. So that is integrity, respect, service, and excellence. So when you are standing in front of somebody, you know this person has integrity. This person commands respect. This person gives respect. This person has a good, he provides service to the fellow Toastmasters. And he's an excellent speaker. He's an excellent leader. So those are the qualities that we stand for. Brand promise. Now, what is brand promise? A brand promise is an expected tangible benefit. Basically, it's just like what we say we do for that member. It's an internal statement. It's a totally internal statement for us. It drives our communication and performance. We assign mentors, right? We assign mentors to the new Toastmasters. Why? Because that defines, that's our service. Compelling benefits, authentic and credible, and must be kept every time. These are the three goals that we achieve through brand promise. Everyone involved in Toastmasters and everything we say or we do represents a Toastmaster. So, what's our brand promise? Our brand promise is empowering individuals through personal and professional development. Now, I mentioned earlier, a club is just like a franchisee of Toastmasters. I talked about the franchisee of McDonald's. You will not go to any outlet which has something else, I mean, visually something else which is different from the original logo of Toastmasters. So we'll talk about some visual guidelines which we have to follow as a Toastmasters. They are, it's a franchisee. They're just like different people, but under the same umbrella, but having different ownerships. Each club has its own exco. Just like franchisees do not create different logos, neither should clubs. Each club is already unique because of its culture, location, language. And if our branding is not consistent, we don't protect our brands. We don't. And then we can lose some elements or ownership of the brand. So now we know that why our brand is important to us. What are the visual guidelines given by Toastmasters? Can you see these 4 different colors? These
Yes.
are the colors, the red, navy blue, yellow, gray, white is also there. So the Toastmasters has given us these colors. So whenever these colors are there, no, these stand for Toastmasters. Like the t-shirt which I am wearing right now, that represents this navy blue color. The t-shirt which Cherkim is wearing, that represents this red color. Because these are branded t-shirts. When we make our posters, why these colors are important? When we make our posters, when we make our Facebook post or our website post or anything by which we are representing ourselves to outside world, we have to use these basic colors. Toastmasters has given us the particular shades of these colors that we should be using. This is the logo that we have. This is the word mark that we have, Toastmasters International. You cannot alter this. Many a times club alter it or clubs don't prefer to use it. You have to use it. It's that represents your club. And these are the fonts. We'll discuss about these fonts also. We talk about the logo size. Now, what is logo size? We use logos in different forms, but there is a particular size which is given to us. There are some specifications. Remember, we said that a logo is an integral piece of Toastmasters visual identity. So this is our identity, and we should make sure that it is applied correctly and consistently for a uniform look. Now, there are different colors and types of logos. We have this full color, we have grayscale, we have a white. And also, these logos have to be used in the specific pixels, both for web and print. If you can see this, 72 pixels for web and 3 by 4 inches for the print. So now you will have this question that, how we can, if we want to use these logos, how we can make sure that this is of exact size. So we'll come to that later on. But this is our logo and we have to use it only in this form, only in the prescribed sizes. We have logo word mark. There are so many word marks available in different colors. Again, we have this full color, we have black, we have white, And also, before making this presentation or before making changes to this presentation, I didn't know that it exists. I came to know that it is, I mean, this word mark can also be used. Which one is that? It's this one. Toastmasters International since 1924. I was not aware of it. So, I mean, these are again the specified sizes are here. For web, it's again the 72 pixels, 3 by 4 inches for print. So it's only in these particular sizes that you will be using them. Then we have logo lockups. What is logo lockup? It's a logo, but below that logo something is written. Now what is it that we have? We have logo plus website, we have logo plus tagline, we have logo plus since 1924. And I shared with you, I honestly didn't know about it. So I mean, this is written. Again, the same question, how can we, I mean, do we have to design it? We'll see that. Any questions till now about the logos? Because these are the specifications of branding by Toastmasters that we have to use. If no questions, I'll move forward, because now I'm going to ask some questions. Now, please use the chat box or unmute yourself and let me know if this one is the correct logo. Can I use it? Come on, I'm expecting answers.
We are from District 80.
So if I just write District 80 here instead of District 99, is it okay?
No.
No.
Why?
You have to use the logo totally that shows Toastmasters International.
Good. I was looking forward to that, because you cannot alter anything here. You cannot say, I mean, instead of District 99, I can also write the club number of, say, Marine Parade Toastmasters. No, but that would be wrong, right? I even cannot write, for that matter of fact, I can write Division A here, or I can write District 80 here. But no, that's all wrong. We have to have Toastmasters International here. Now, this one, is it okay? Now, it has Toastmasters International.
No.
Because it is
It's cut
distorted.
off. It's cut off also. The top and bottom.
Yeah, the picture is not full. It's cut from upper side and lower side. But that's not the problem. Even if the picture has been full, it's wrong because it's distorted.
Yeah.
Can you see it's stretched? Right? So that's not the correct one. This one?
No. Oh, the green background.
Yeah, we do not have green as our prescribed color. It should be only in that, as for that matter of fact, we should not be using any color. I mean, only except the prescribed ones. This one? Can you see the difference in the globe behind this Toastmasters International?
The globe is too small.
The globe is too small, right? It's not of the correct size. This one?
No. No.
Why?
The back portion.
There is this glow, which is,
Yeah.
lighted point outside the glowing outline of the globe. That's not prescribed. This one?
No, the color.
No, because the globe is of different color.
Color.
It's the maybe it's the prescribed red color, by which is you can have this opinion that it's the the same color which is prescribed by the red, navy blue, yellow, and gray. But no, our logo is already specified. It's only there in that navy blue color. No other color can replace that. We have this one.
No.
It doesn't have any globe behind.
lines.
It's just a circle,
Yeah.
right? And this one? No.
No.
Why? Because
The
this is
leaders-
extra,
Yeah.
where leaders are made. This is not prescribed. Although this is there, the globe is there, but this is not a complete logo.
Mm.
So we have to make sure, as a club officer, we have to make sure that we use the correct logo. So this is the one which you should not be using, and these are the ones which you can use. You can use this logo, and then below it you can write District 99. You can use this logo, and here you can write, I'm just saying, or you can use this logo plus this since 1924, and then you can write. But you cannot use it in this manner.
Mm.
So make sure that you're using it in correct form. Again, this is the Pathways logo, right? The same things which we had for our Toastmasters logo, the same guidelines applies to Pathways logo also, right? Because many a times we have, we even got a gift from a Division Z gave us a gift of t-shirts which had this Pathways logo on it. The t-shirt which I am wearing is a gift by our district director, immediate past district director Churkim, to all the district officers of last term. So this is the Pathways logo. Again, the same specifications that we have to use. Now, these are the pathway badges. Why are they important? Why do you need to know about these pathway badges?
Specific to the pathways.
Specific to the pathways. So how you can use it on your social media page, say when somebody completes a path, you can add a picture, or maybe if you don't want to add the picture of that person, you can attach this logo there. You can attach whichever path that person is completing, you can use that particular badge and use it against his picture, that so and so has completed, say, this path, persuasive influence, right? So you can download all these badges, all these pictures from TI website and use it to for the virtual award presentation in meetings, or recognizing the achievements. Now here comes the color palette. As I told you that we have certain specific colors that we have to use in Toastmasters, right? Those red, navy blue, yellow, gray, white. But there are so many shades of red. Which red should I pick up? It's here. The Toastmaster gives you an answer that use this one, this particular shade. For navy blue, use this shade. For gray, use this shade. For yellow, use this shade. When I was making this presentation, can you see this template, Toastmasters International?
Yes.
The footer which is there in this template.
Yes.
This is a template prescribed by TI. This is available on TI website, and I just downloaded the template and I put all the information here. So before I could download this template, I was trying to trying with these color shades, whether can I make use of them, and I was able to. I actually went to the color palette and I found out this particular color of navy blue. I put it here. It came out exactly the same. That was just an experiment which I wanted to check. So these are the prescribed colors. Whenever you are making your posters, whenever you are making any representations, you make use of these colors. Whether you are making some poster in Canva or Publisher or PowerPoint or any other, poster making application. Then there is a guideline for gradient colors. You want to use some background as gradient. These are the shades that you have to use. And we have all these colors in almost all the apps that we generally use. I just told you because I have been using, when I make posters, I either make it in Canva or Microsoft Publisher. So I'm sure you can have this in almost all of the applications. Then these are fonts. Importance. What is the importance of these fonts? It's the same. As I said, logo, it represents you. The same is with the fonts. We identify this is written by TI. And again, for experiment's sake, I went on TI and I was just, copying the text there and checking the fonts. It's the use of these fonts. They have prescribed Gotham, Arial, Myrit, Montserrat, Source Sans Pro. So these are the ones which you can use with these guidelines. The examples of Gotham are here, black, bold, medium. Then again you have MyWrite Pro. Then you have Source Sans Pro. So these are the particular fonts. If you want to make some poster, make use of these fonts. Size, of course, you can vary. You want in small size, you want in big size, but at least, that similarity. Just by looking at it, this is the one. Yes. This is the Toastmasters professional poster. Another way of branding, images and photography. Now, I just want to ask everyone, do you want to see or want to join some club where when you go to the meeting, people are, just lousy or, they seem like disinterested, they are sitting like this or they are looking here and there. Or if you see some picture, like, it happens with us on all professional front as well. Somebody is speaking, and we are all, okay, I'm just checking my phone, I'm just going out, or, it seems like I'm not interested. If I see some picture of this kind, will I be ever interested to join that meeting? Or in that matter of fact, join that club?
No.
If I see that some picture. So suppose ACCA is here or BDoc Club is here. So if you want to make a poster and you're posting the contest, okay, the speaker speaking and the Grace and Jiang talking to each other, or seeming somebody's checking the phone. So these things play very important part. If you post good pictures, if you post pictures of say somebody listening to attentively, two people talking to each other, two people doing handshake, somebody presenting something on projector, that represents you. That shows the quality of your club. Okay, just in something I'll ask from all of you. Do you have any favorite picture of you? Do you remember any picture of you? Maybe you can just describe in words. Any favorite picture from Toastmasters? There are some memorable things.
Yeah.
I won a ribbon, or somebody gave a very nice workshop. Grace wants to say something.
Cup gathering.
Sorry, didn't get you.
Cup gathering. Those who do that when a cup have a gathering, have fun together.
Yes, the club gatherings, those social gatherings. Yeah, that's that represents the club culture. I said earlier that every club has different culture. So post those pictures. I'll share, I'll take this liberty of sharing some of my favorite pictures. So this is the first time I got my first ribbon in my club. That was after 2 years of joining Marine Parade. So after 2 years, I got my first ribbon. So this picture is memorable for me for that reason. This was at one of our Exco installation. This one was from one of our club meetings. This was, from our club contest picture. So these are some of the pictures. So instead of here, maybe you can put your own Exco installation. You all must have had your Exco installation last month. You can post those pictures. So as I mentioned, that Toastmasters is a brand. But again, with different culture, different themes, we have so many meetings with different themes. Christmas, New Year, Halloween, fun games, and we make memories. So post those pictures. I feel it's up to clubs to post which pictures they want, to put on the social media handles or promotional or marketing platforms. And we hold proud because it reflects our connection with the club. Even Toastmaster has a pool of professional pictures that we can choose to use for our branding and communication, where people, I just said, people are looking engaged, people are looking connected, people are looking, people are presented as if they are listening. People are essentially networking. What are the big no's? I have seen some of the clubs posting landscapes, mountains, hills. Does it represent Toastmasters? No. Illustrations, cartoons. That's not Toastmasters. That's not Toastmasters brand. So logo placement on photography. Put the logos on right places. It should be prominent. It should catch the eyes immediately that poster is opened. Now, what are the resources? As I told you, you might be having this question. We don't know. I mean, you said that use logo in this correct form, but I can't design that. No need. Absolutely no need. Toastmasters has made life very easy for us. Just go to TI, go to resources, go to brand portal. You'll find solution to all your questions. Can you see these signatures? Can you all see these signatures? Can you please unmute and...
Yes.
No? Okay, so what it represents, so whenever you are communicating with your potential member, right? Some potential member has approached your club and they want to attend your meeting. So they will come to you. If you are responding to them, respond to them with this email signature. It's available on TI resource. Where? Here. Go to TI, go to brand portal, and when you open the brand portal, all these things are here. Brand manual is here. The brand manual is the same which I am using. So in case if you say that we want a picture of these slides, it's there. It's this brand manual. Open it, all guidelines are available. Go to brand photo contest, go to branded business cards, stationery templates, marketing resources, website, logo and design, professional images. Imagine you don't want to use any of your club pictures. Maybe your club members don't want their faces on the pictures. There was a member in our Marine Parade Toastmasters who didn't want her pictures to go on social media. So what we used to do, our VPPR used to put the logo on the face so that her face is hidden. Or you can just use some of the professional pictures available here. So this is how you go there. Resources, and here it's the stationery templates. So what are all the things available in stationery templates? Just few examples. Club executive meetings, club meeting agendas. We were using in my home club as well as in ICISG, we were using the old formats. In ICI, SG, I was using the same format as my home club. But then when I saw this template, I immediately changed it to this format. You don't want to make your agenda, don't make it. Just download it from here. Make changes and you're good to go. Club meeting invitation, it's here. Club meeting minutes, your email signature. Remember I talked to you about how you can communicate with your potential members? Use this email signature. Then we have this name tense, newsletter templates. In case in the morning, during the VPPR breakout room training session, I talked about that clubs can come up with their newsletters. So the newsletter template is here. PowerPoint templates. Can you see a similarity? This is the one that I'm using. So when you're making your presentations, when you are giving some kind of trainings, use this. Maybe you can use your name down as a footer, but then use this template. It's available. I don't know how to design logos. Honestly, I don't know how to design. I mean, the specifications, this, that, poster, I cannot make it. I'm sure many of the club exco officers will resonate with this. It's here, no need. Go to brand portal, logo templates, download. I told you about logo and website, Toastmasters International, and the website. Download. Logo plus tagline, logo where leaders are made. Logos since 1920, the logo since 1924. Wordmark, Toastmasters International, line since 1924. It's all available. So use this for making your posters. In the morning again, when we were talking about, many of the VPPRs were of the view that they want to revamp the websites of their clubs. You know how to make it? Very good. Go ahead, make it. If you don't know, go to brand portal and download it. And DTM Anand shared his experience. He made his website using this template. So that's our brand, and that's how we matter. Images, I told you there are lots of professional images you don't want to use. I don't want to use those lousy pictures of members sitting very clumsily, and so go to this resource, download professional pictures, use it. Standards and procedures. Now there is something called trademark use request. If you are not sure that anything that you are using, it is not matching, whether it complies with Toastmasters brand, whether it is permitted or not, make a request, make an application to TI. They will respond you. In the case of Division Z, during our area contest, we had our representative talk to TI, took the approval for the trophies. Again, there are some video guidelines how you have to make your videos. Make your videos only if the member, and post it only by informing the member. Right? In our program agenda, we always write that photos and videos will be taken during the meeting for marketing purposes. So you have to inform. I gave you an example how one of our club members, she didn't want her pictures, she didn't want her face, so we used to put that logo. So there are some video guidelines, follow them. So proud of these apparel guidelines, especially because I have this t-shirt. I have that Pathways t-shirt. Right? So use them. I mean, you cannot take any t-shirt and get this logo printed from some outside, job worker, and you just get it printed here and you start wearing it. If you're doing that, ask for the approval of TI. There are TI tumblers. I have one as a Division Z gift. Website guidelines, again, if you're making your own website, then follow these guidelines. If you're using the website template as given by Toastmasters, no need for it, because they already have taken care of all these guidelines. Now, when I took the session last week, there was a question that why you talked about the Toastmaster logo has to be used, but how? I mean, if there is some company, there is some institution which is sponsoring a club, they want their own publicity. So how in that case also, should we use Toastmasters logo, or should we use the logo of those corporate clubs? So of course, TI says that you can use both, but try and make sure that they are not side by side. Don't use it side by side. If you're putting your logo here, say XYZ company here and Toastmasters here, it will create a confusion in the minds of the viewers, in the minds of those who are visualizing that what is this? Is it this XYZ brand or is it Toastmasters? So in that case, you have to clearly differentiate, this is corporate, this is Toastmasters. You can reverse the order, you can bring the Toastmasters logo up, you can bring this logo down, you can use it that way. But try not to use it side by side. Right? So these are the guidelines which have to be, that will make your poster effective. That will give a recognition to the brand, to your corporate club, and to your Toastmasters brand as well. Of course, there are district conference guidelines. They are available. Our annual convention is happening in August. So maybe, you can just refer to these guidelines. In case of any doubt, I said, just send an application. There is a section of contact us on TI website. So go there. In case of any confusion, write a letter to them, write any communication, have some communication with them, and they will answer you. And thank you so much. Now again, as I said, that what is the purpose of showing all this to you? Don't we as club officers, we know all about this? Yes, there are some specifications, those sizes, those particular colors we need to know. But overall, why branding is important? Again, I'll tell you to recall those words which I said in the starting, that Toastmasters, when we use Toastmasters logo, it is our identity. It is who we are and why we matter. We matter as Toastmasters because that gives us an integrity, that shows our persona, that shows that XYZ is a Toastmaster and I can rely on this person. That this person is a club officer, he or she is a Toastmaster, she's definitely going to come and help me out. So we in ourselves, more than any logo, more than any visual elements, more than anything else, we as person, if we are adding that prefix Toastmaster XYZ, we are a brand in ourselves. So try and project that brand. Use these guidelines, make your marketing, your promotion effective, but use you yourself, then your club officers, your club members, your club, and then project it. Any questions?
Yes.
Yes, who's that?
Sorry, I want to ask.
Yeah.
I saw from the TI IG page, they actually has a new color. It's like more colorful with purple and pink. I wanted to share image, but I'm using my phone. I don't know how to share it.
Is it there on the resources page?
It's in their official Instagram page.
No, see, in that case, I would suggest you not to refer to any Instagram or social media page, but go to toastmasters.org.
Oh,
Right?
okay. All right.
Whatever changes are there, it might be, as you are saying, if you think that this color is there, go and double check on toastmasters.org, because that is, we have this, we can say that that is the Bible for us. We just have to go there, we have to see, and yeah, somebody, Adam has written that I think that's for 2021 convention, which is allowed. I mean, the Toastmasters virtual convention, which is happening
All
2021,
right.
they have their own color,
Okay.
right?
Understood.
We as we as club, we have to just refer to that brand manual. So for you, the Bible should be toastmasters.org, the resources page, and under that resources page, that brand portal section. So go
Okay.
to brand portal, open, everything is there. If they make any changes, they will just update there only.
Okay. Sure. Thank you.
Again, Adam has clarified that we are allowed our own themes, according to branding guide back. We are allowed our own themes, colors, and schemes if we make our own convention too. Right. So I'm sure that the virtual convention, the all the backgrounds and everything, they must have been approved. Right. So that's a very good input from Adam. So in that case, if any of you have any resources to share with each other, you just post it on the in the chat box, because today in the morning session there was a good exchange of all the resources. Somebody was using something else. Somebody even talked about TikTok as the VPPR tactic, as a VPPR technique. So you can actually have any of your creative ideas, provided they fall in those guidelines. Cindy has some question.
Yes, can I clarify, in designing posters for our usual chapter meetings, do we stick to the colors that you mentioned, or can we use another color
See,
for the background?
ideally you should use the colors prescribed by Toastmasters. Ideally you should use that, because as I said, what is the use, what is the importance of using those colors? It gives an identity to you, right? You are a franchisee. We just talked about, we are a franchisee of Toastmasters. We cannot use any, or rather I can say we should not use anything else which has been prescribed. So don't deviate from that. Try and stick to those colors. Of course, you can use different pictures. I showed you about my pictures, that you can use your own club pictures. If you fall short of the pictures, you can always go to Toastmasters, download the pictures also from there. But as regards color, try and stick to the prescribed ones.
Okay, thank you.
It's just the same, when we talked about that logo, we talked about different logos. Remember that exercise that we did, that okay, what is wrong in this, what is wrong in this? So it's the same. What is wrong in this color, what is wrong in this color? Nothing is wrong, everything is good, but it is not prescribed by Toastmasters. That's not a Toastmasters brand.
I think one very common mistakes that clubs make is that for the speech contests, they order trophies locally, and the design of the trophies are not approved by Toastmasters International. So if you want to source your own trophies locally, you need to write to TI to get the design approved, or the district, I believe the district is writing to TI to approve some models of trophies, and you can check with your area director or division directors. They should have those approved designs, and you can just buy those that are approved by TI.
Yeah, that's a very, very good suggestion by Cherkim. So all of you as club officers, whenever you're planning to hold your speech contest, and if you want the trophies, just make sure that they comply to all these things. And to what Chirkin said, I remember when we had our area contest, I talked about that during the presentation also. There was some communication which Lishan was initiating on behalf of Division Z, that for the designs of the trophies. So Toastmasters, it's not something for my home that I'm ordering this, I'm doing that, I'm giving this t-shirt, I'm using this. You are a brand. Again, we are just emphasizing on this word brand. So try and use, what is the need to deviate? There are so many beautiful colors, as you have seen that in that presentation. You can use it in different gradients. Use it.
I mean, even if you are wearing a polo shirt like what Ramanpreet or myself is doing, and if you are going out in the public, you got to behave like a Toastmaster. Okay, just like Singapore Airlines, when the stewardesses are wearing their uniform, they have to maintain a certain level of behavior. They have even stricter guidelines, like how should they tie their hair and all that. I think here we don't care. We don't really have any restrictions on how you do your hair, but branding is important to uphold the image of the organization.
Yeah, we immediately recognize that this person is in that uniform and that person is behaving like this, so she belongs to this particular airlines. We even know by just looking at their uniform, their behavior, we know this is the airline. So why not to make yourself just like that? Why not to promote your club just like that? And I saw when we did the speechcraft for Division Z, even the flyers and everything which went out, nobody designed them. It was just downloaded from TI website. It's there under the marketing template. Those club invitations that we send generally, on WhatsApp, we send the information that our meeting is happening on this date. This is the right now Zoom is happening, so this is the meeting code, passcode, or anything. It's there. All these templates are the club invitation, the meeting details, everything is there. So you just type in the keywords, you'll get those templates. Any other thing from anyone? Vicky, do you have anything for us? I think the breakout room is closing.
It's important to place and design the site so that it is both respectful, but yet at the same time, it helps people to remember the brand of it, because the visual image is really important. So consistency is ultimately the key, and visibility. So I would advise clubs to keep general principles in mind: consistency, visibility, and it should be tied to the theme of what Toastmasters is all about, rather than to reinvent them. Thank you.
Yeah, so in case of any doubt, just go to resources, download from there. The logo is there. Don't try and distort the size. If you want, you can just make it big from sideways, not upwards and downwards, only from the sideways. So that ways you can just maintain the size, the pixels, whatever is required. So download from there and use it for your posters. In case if you have anything, I'll just forward all these slides to Niza and maybe she can circulate it. In case if you don't get it, go to TI, go to resources, go to brand portal. You can download all these slides, right? No need to download, just read it from there. Okay, have a very minutes. Thank you for attending it.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
Thanks, Raman.
Enjoy Toastmasters.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.